Drama has the capacity to capture the students' attention and the potential to empower them. My name is April and I'm from Act 3 Drama Academy. In our Teachers Workshop, we introduce to teachers alternatives to deliver their lessons that integrate drama in their classroom teaching. Drama breaks down the monotony of learning through conventional classroom teaching method. Through exploring drama tools such as Tableau and Mime, the students will be encouraged to use their imagination and creativity to communicate their thoughts, ideas, suggestions, and stories. What do you think I'm doing? How do you think I'm feeling? What happened here? What is going to happen next? When the students use Tableau or frozen images, which I've just demonstrated, these images provide a visual stimulus to articulate their thoughts in action, realize emotions, meaning, and reaction. And also through using Tableau, students also will learn to create coherent scenes in a narrative. What do you think I'm doing? How am I expressing myself? I just used mime, a non-verbal portrayal of thought through gesture, body movement, and facial expression to express my ideas and story. So when the children or students use mime in the classroom, they are encouraged to communicate their ideas and thoughts and suggestions and stories through non-verbal skills. And they will do this confidently. When the students learn to use mime and Tableau in the classroom, these skills will help to develop in the students different perspectives to resolve conflicts in scenarios. So for example, if the students are tasked with creating and devising a narrative, teachers can use Tableau and Mime in this learning process to help the students to devise their scenarios. And the students will have a better understanding of the coherent order of events that follow in the scenes. Using drama strategies in the classroom will stimulate learning and promote analysis skills as well. Thank you for watching this video. My name is April and I'm from Act 3 Drama Academy.